So I think that's a very highly proactive system which we want to build, so that before the user calls for you to churn, before 3 to 4 calls, or before 3 to 4, what do you say, even types of interactions, we are able to predict. So that is something which I'll be explaining more in my solution section. So if it's fine, I think that's a good segue to a solutions section. So I'll just take 30 seconds and I'll try to jot down all the different solutions possible, if that's fine, Akash.
Sure.
So I think with regards to solutions, there are a lot of different solutions possible to this one problem. I think one of them is POT, which is pretty common, where the system effectively tries to understand from your past call transcription and accordingly helps you guide to your solutions very quickly. But I feel that that might not be as engaging as possible, because a human always prefers a more human-like touch. There is also something around voice bot, and I feel voice bot might really be a very good scenario in this, where you're not just able to talk to the AI agent, but you're able to show your screen to it, or able to actually help it exactly end-to-end guide you, and not just redirect you to a human agent. So I think an end-to-end AI voice bot assistance would be something amazing. In terms of a more basic solution which might not require AI as such, we can make our experience more gamified in the app to just show the features and benefits in a way that the user always tries to avoid churning, just because they keep getting some of these benefits and features. But I feel that because at the core we want to improve the user experience, I would like to go and try to build more of a voice bot agent, which tries to not just speak to you, but actually tries to predict from your past data, like you mentioned, Aakash, when the user is going to maybe be in that red zone of churning, and accordingly tries to activate that system of maybe sending more offers, maybe trying to send more benefits to them, and also trying to talk to the user end to end and solve the problems as soon as possible. So this is what I would like to prioritize, if that's fine, Akash, to you, or I'd love to know your thoughts.
It's going to be a big project. I don't know, 6 months will depend really on the resources, right? But as I said, we can think about a best case scenario.
Yeah, I think, no, that's true. I think 6 months is a big time, but I feel that we can definitely map out an MVP version of it in 6 months. And from there, maybe craft a very good agent in maybe 9 to 10 months. But yeah,
Sure.
what do you think?
Let's see what it would look like.
I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.